Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Canon Powershot G3X. What I've got here is two 64GB SD cards and a bag for the camera. Warranty, getting started, how to use it, all that good stuff. Just a bit of paper, cool. So here's a battery it comes with, to the power cable as well. Alright, and a charger. Okay, so charger right there, power cord, cool. Alright, I'm introducing the Canon Powershot G3X. So here it is. Has a giant lens. It actually zooms out to about there, so it's an inbuilt, which is really awesome. Lens cap comes off. There we go. Goes back on. Grip. It's hot like that. You can zoom in and out via this button. Okay. Comes out like this, and it also comes up. So when you're recording a selfie or anything, you can use that. It's not 4K, unfortunately, but I've tested it out and looked at a lot of reviews, and it's pretty good. So it has got a flash that comes out. Just swipe this button here, and it comes out like that. So at night, when I want to take photos, I can just click that off, and it clicks back in nice and safely. There's not much more to say about this, really, other than it's really nice. Feels pretty decent in the hands. Can't complain. I'll probably do an updated review on it in a couple of months' time. I'm going traveling, so I'll be using this to record and documenting all my stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll let you guys know how the camera performs later on. Cheers.